is the main of the specialization of marketing. Why that is sentiment analysis. What is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis is whether to identify or understanding emotions, opinion, text, like positive, negative, neutral. Purpose it helps business and organizations feedback like what are they give emotions, expressions, data direction, introduction of sentiment analysis. It is like natural language process to identify certain emotions, opinions, to express it in text. Purpose it helps determine whether sentiment is text positive or negative or neutral. Application. Commonly used in areas like customer feedback or analysis, social media monitoring or marketing. How is it works? Use machine learning AI and language models to process and analyze textual data. Provides valuable insights for business, improve product services, customer service, customer satisfaction. Why is sentiment analysis important? First, understanding public opinion. It helps to business and organizations what and service brands. Improve customer service by analyze customer feedback, what emotions, social mix, identify areas improvement like marketing research. Improves to marketing introduce new product or they want or not. This is management by monitoring social media and online discussions. Business can quickly identify address and pieces that have types of sentiment analysis. First step, time gradation. Time grade sentiment analysis depends on user needs what's their emotions like neutral, negative, or positive, very positive, or very negative. Like that. The second one is emotion detection. Like if the sentence happy, angry, or upset, jolly, pleasant, so on. Under emotion detection, this is also extra method of sentiment analysis. Intent analysis. In intent analysis, all about actions. What the user gives us to emotions like sad, happy, express the message in text type, express their feelings, accept basic sentiment analysis, identify the features mentioned in the text message. Step by step process of sentiment analysis. First, localization, let's clean the data, use the stocks, words, classification, apply supervisor on upper clusters. Sixth one, calibration. Create the sentiment analysis, advantages and disadvantages. First, advantages, customer insight. It helps customer opinions on feelings about product or services. Next one, real-time feedback. Allow companies to monitor sentiment instantly, and action. Advantage, disadvantage, data quality. The result depends on the quality and level of training data.